Okay everybody, welcome back. Today is day 9 of the 100-hour inspection of my flight simulator. So we're going to look here at the firewall, center support and dash platform, the parking brake assembly, pilot side lower dash panel, and the subwoofer. The first thing I want to do is take my leopard print pillow and throw it down here on the floorboard. Kind of cover this up right here because that tends to be uncomfortable. We'll grab the list. Alright, so here is the parking brake. Let's take a look at that here real quick. The set screw. It's underneath here. It's made out of a caulking gun. It's really difficult to get in here with the seats in. I usually take the seats out if I'm going to get under here for something. Okay, so here's the parking brake. You can see back here, there's a little tail piece. There it is. And it hits a snap action switch in the back. Looks like everything's out of the way. I used a throttle return spring and a piece of plumber's strap here, and I can adjust it by squeezing here and move it back and forth and adjust the tension, but the tension feels good, so I don't really want to do that. And I thought I saw, yes, I see some wires there that are rubbing against the throttle cable, so if I might have to want to loom those up there so that they're not in the way. This right here is the circuit board for the lighting. I just mounted to a piece of cardboard, and I could just take the whole thing, just slides right out, but I'm not going to do that either. That doesn't need to be done. So, yeah, I'll probably take one of these this guide right here, since it's not used right now, take it off and put it up here and loom those wires up out of the way. So other than that, we're checking the support here, looking up under here, the junction, looking down here, the junction's down here. Everything looks good, that's nice and tight. Look up here at the wiring. That all looks good. And we're going to look at the lower dash panel here while we're here. It looks like there's a little crease right here, but it doesn't look too severe. Not much frayed edges or anything like that. The panel's on there tight. All the screws, this looks like it could be glued back in, but I might be changing these to vinyl decals here. An upgrade like that, it cost about $50 actually. So I have to make sure that this is exactly how I want it. So this is in there nice and tight. The knobs are nice. That one's okay. Alright, so those all look good. Okay, so that looks fine. Here we are on the co-pilot side, and there's the subwoofer, so I'm going to have to take that out. It looks like it needs a little bit of TLC there, at least cleaning if nothing else, but I have a feeling there might be a rip in the speaker cone, so I'll get that out of there and we'll check it out. Okay, so I just brought it up and sort of wedged it in between the wooden pieces here. Just going to check this out. And as you can see, I already siliconed around it because it did actually have a tear in it in one place. Actually, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look like there's any more tears or anything, and it looks like the previous repair with the clear silicone worked pretty good. So I don't see any problems with that. So that looks good. We can mark that off the list, and I'll put that back in, wire it all back up, and check the wiring, make sure it's clear of everything, and then we'll be done with day number 9. Alright, so we got the subwoofer done, and next we're going to, for day 10, tomorrow, we're going to be working, maybe tomorrow, working on the control wheel and going on with everything on the nose of the plane behind the dash.